You all know that milk has become an important part of diet culture for fulfilling the nutrient requirement of our body. But have you ever wondered which milk is most nutritious? Can you imagine that cockroach milk is the most nutritious milk in the world? Well, let us think about it today at ThinkVerse. Mammals are a group of vertebrates characterized by the presence of mammary glands, which in females produce milk for feeding their young ones. Other animals generally do not share the ability to feed their young with a substance secreted from their own bodies. But now we have an exception. Researchers have found that cockroaches produce milk to feed their young ones. But not all cockroaches can do this. The Pacific beetle cockroach, also known as Diploptera punctata, is the magic cockroach which produce milk-like substance to feed their babies. Unlike many other cockroaches, the Pacific beetle cockroach gives birth to living offsprings. Embryonic cockroaches live inside the mother in uterus-like organ called brood sacs. The mother cockroach produces a type of milk-like protein crystal to feed its babies, which incubate in the brood sac. One of these protein crystals contains more than 3 times the amount of energy found in an equivalent amount of buffalo milk. Did you know that cockroach milk is more nutritious than buffalo's milk and even human breast milk? Yes, you heard it right. Scientists have firmly established that cockroach milk is structurally and functionally similar to eukaryotic proteins and contain large amounts of vital constituents such as fat, sugar, protein, and essential amino acids. A lab analysis showed that cockroach milk contains 45% protein, 25% carbohydrates, 16 to 22% fat, and 5% amino acids. It is important to point out that this protein source is definitely not for those trying to lose weight, but for those who struggle to get the minimum amount of calories required per day. This could be a quick and easy way to get energy and nutrients. Also, it is a non-dairy milk alternative which makes it naturally lactose-free. Thus, it makes it suitable for people with lactose intolerance. According to dairy standards, this milk cannot be compared to the normal milk we consume, but still considered as the next superfood. But then what stops us from mass producing it? Well, the difficulty is in harvesting this milk. The milk substance is secreted into the brood sac of the cockroach, where it turns into crystals in the embryo's digestive tract. How can we get it into the outside world? The only way is to cut open the stomach and harvest it. This will certainly kill the roaches. Also, each roach produces only a tiny amount of this milk, and thousands of these roaches are required to get few grams of this milk. This means even if we kill all the roaches in the world, we cannot satisfy the thirst of a few people. Clearly, milking a cockroach is not feasible. So an international team of scientists headed by researchers from Institute of Stem Cell Biology and Regenerative Medicine in India decided to sequence the genes responsible for producing the milk protein crystal. Now researchers have these sequences, which they're hoping to get yeast to produce in much larger quantities. Let's hope that we get these superfood in store shelves soon. Many hope that it helps alleviate the nutrition shortage in near future. Do not forget to keep checking your grocery store for this superfood. To get updated with such interesting facts, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss new videos. See you next time with another interesting thought.